just a drop in the ocean, lost in waves of deep emotion. Every tear you've ever cried evaporates into the sky, gathering into clouds. The rain is all the tears we've cried. That's why it rains every night. The rain is all the tears we've cried. That's why it's raining tonight. You see the storm is coming in the dark of the evening sky. Your heart is still beating as the thunder heads arrive. Your tears are the salt in the wound that won't heal. Your tears are the salt in the wound that won't heal. The rain is all the tears we've cried. That's why it rains every night. The rain is all the tears we've cried. That's why it's raining tonight. So when you wonder why the rain is always falling, it's the weight of all the moments that never found a name. Every promise made in silence, every touch we couldn't keep, all the love we learned to bury so we could finally sleep. It gathers in the hollow hours where the night won't let you go, drifting through the open dark, looking for a way back all the tears we lost before we learned to cry. The rain is all the tears we lost, still falling from the sky. Yeah, the rain is all the tears we cried. That's why it rains every night. The rain is all the tears we cried. That's why it's raining tonight. So when you wonder why the rain is always falling, it's the weight of all the moments that never found a name. So stand with me beneath it, let it soak us to the bone. If the sky is breaking open now, we don't have to be